Right now, we're seeing a notable spike in business sentiment, with a score of plus 0.20 and a momentum increase of plus 0.09 compared to our historical baseline. This is significant. It suggests an uptick in positive sentiment that hasn't been this strong in recent weeks. With our API, you get back not just the sentiment score, but also momentum data and insights from 18 semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into the nuances of business sentiment. Imagine integrating this into your application to optimize your decision-making process. For instance, you could use this data to adjust your marketing strategies in real time, targeting campaigns when sentiment peaks. Explore how this can work for you at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's leverage sentiment data to make informed decisions together.